Okay, anyway, what you're looking at, I'm going to show you here. We got sets of gears, and we got a sewing machine that does not work. It jams up, the gears are stripped in it. And there aren't too many videos out there, so I'm going to show you how to, in this video, how to disassemble the machine and get it ready for gear replacement. I'm going to apologize like I do in all my videos for the camera work, but I'm working on getting a new one. Probably going about this backwards, but the first thing I want to show you is how to remove this. And if you're not careful, you can break it. Make sure this lever, if it moves, is in the middle. These here, that sits in, I mean, if everything's moving as it should, as you can see, make sure that's in the middle, and also that. And you go ahead and take those pieces off. That stays on there. To get this front cover off, there's an emblem here. That's going to be pushed in like that. When you go to take that off, you want to be very gentle with it. Probably want to use 2 screwdrivers to do it. Gently loosen it, and then with your fingers and a lot of patience, give it a wiggle, and that comes off, revealing this screw. Okay, here we go. Take this one screw out. Now, when you lift this plate out, there's a tab right up here, and there's a tab here, over on this side. And then this lever is also in the way, so you want to push down, gently pull it out, and you kinda, it's hard to because it's old and it's acrylic, but you go over on this side, pop that tab out, push down on here, and slide that out real easy so you do not crack and shatter this. And put this aside. Okay, next thing you want to do, open that door. Flip this lid open, and you got a screw here. And you want to go ahead and remove this screw. Put that aside. Once that's off like that, all you got to do, slide forward, lift up, and set that aside. And just a side note, if you're having problems with this lid seating flush, you got 2 screws here. You may need to readjust your hinge so that these pressure springs snap the lid closed. Just a quick tip. Okay, and now that that's off, the side piece, there's pins on there. It just lifts up and comes out. Going step by step here. Needle's already out of this one. Going to take your pressure foot off. We're going to take this plate off, and that's done by this lever here. Once you do that, this plate slides out, and then you set that back down in place. This plate will slide out so far. You'll see a little screw hole there, and you're going to turn this screw to the right. And once you do so, that'll let you lift this side up and push it away from you, and that will come off as a left-handed screw. Now, when you look down in here, there's a little metal clip. You're going to want to remove this, which just slides out like so. Now you have your bobbin holder. I know you can't see much, but flip that and you remove that. So that's the top part. That's what we got so far. That's the main drive gear. You don't usually have to replace those. You'll see when I get to the bottom. Now you want to flip the machine over. And you got, okay, usually you have 4 rubber feet. This one's only got 2 because it's old. But all you need to do is loosen each one just a little bit, like so. And then there's one screw here in the middle. You take this screw out completely and then lift up, pull off, and now you're looking at the insides of your machine.